Home security is a top priority for residents in Farmington Hills. With its serene neighborhoods and strong community vibe, this city is an attractive place to live, but no community is entirely immune to security risks. An often overlooked yet critical aspect of home safety is the condition of your windows. If your windows are outdated, damaged, or otherwise inadequate, they could be the weakest link in your home's security system. Replacing them with modern, secure alternatives not only enhances your home's aesthetic appeal but also significantly bolsters its security. Why windows are crucial to home security. Windows are a common entry point for burglars, especially when they are old or poorly maintained. Criminals often exploit vulnerabilities like weak locks. Older windows often have basic or worn-out locks that are easy to force open. Single-pane glass. Traditional single-pane windows can be easily broken with minimal noise. Warped frames. Over time, wooden or poorly constructed frames can warp, leaving gaps that make it easier for intruders to pry them open. Modern window replacements address all these issues, providing robust features that deter break-ins and protect your family. Key security benefits of modern window replacement: impact-resistant glass. Modern replacement windows are often made with impact-resistant or laminated glass. These materials are designed to withstand significant force, making them difficult to break. Even if an intruder tries to smash the window, the laminated layers hold the shards together, preventing entry and reducing the risk of injury. Advanced locking mechanism. High-quality replacement windows come with sophisticated locking systems. Multi-point locks, for instance, secure the window at several points along the frame, making it nearly impossible to jimmy open. Smart locks with keyless entry or remote access capabilities add another layer of protection. Reinforced frames. Modern windows use reinforced materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which are more durable and resistant to tampering than traditional wooden frames. These materials not only improve security but also require less maintenance, saving you time and money in the long run. Noise reduction features. Soundproofing might not seem like a security feature, but it plays a role. Double or triple pane windows reduce outside noise, making it easier for you to detect unusual sounds, such as someone tampering with a window, even from inside your home. Customizable security features. Many modern windows are designed with optional security enhancements, such as window sensors that connect to your home's alarm system. If someone attempts to open or break the window, an alarm is triggered, alerting you and deterring the intruder. Energy efficiency meets security. New windows not only improve security but also enhance energy efficiency. Double or triple pane windows with low emissivity, low E coatings and argon gas fillings reduce heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. For Farmington Hills residents, this is an added bonus, as Michigan's winters can be harsh. A secure, energy-efficient home is a smart investment that pays dividends in safety, comfort, and reduced utility bills. How window replacement boosts peace of mind. Knowing your home is secure provides unparalleled peace of mind. Modern windows reduce the likelihood of break-ins and create a safer environment for your family. For families in Farmington Hills, this means enjoying the tranquility of the community without worrying about potential vulnerabilities in your home. Choosing the right windows for your Farmington Hills home. When considering window replacement, it's essential to work with a reputable company that understands the unique needs of Farmington Hills homeowners. Look for a provider that offers custom fit and design. Every home is different. Your new windows should seamlessly match the style of your home while meeting your security needs. Certified installation. Proper installation is key to maximizing the security benefits of modern windows. Certified professionals ensure a snug fit and secure locks. Warranties and support. Quality windows come with warranties, guaranteeing durability and performance. Take the next step toward a safer home. Investing in window replacement is more than an aesthetic upgrade. It's a commitment to your family's safety and comfort. With modern materials, advanced locking mechanisms, and customizable features, you can fortify your home against intrusions while enjoying a more energy-efficient living space. If you're a homeowner in Farmington Hills, don't wait for an outdated window to become a security liability. Consult with a trusted local window replacement expert today to explore your options. Enhance your home's security, increase its value, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your family is safe.